The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for all of your support.
Not sure what I'm doing here. Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
Welcome to another decorating ideas with the boss. In this video, I am going to decorate our entryway for fall 2022. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor 2022, let the design flow. A big thank you to Velgo for sponsoring a portion of this video. Guys, in this video, I am going to review this dry tank dehumidifier sent to me by this company. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you guys can see, item came in very well packaged. Guys, you can use it in your basement, your laundry room, your office, like everywhere. This unit is great for any large space. Up to 4,500 square feet, the humidifier for basement removes 52 pints per day. 86% Fahrenheit, depending on moisture condition, and adjusts humidify from 40% to 80%. Dry tank, LED panel touch, 5 years warranty. Manual draining, 1.4 gallons water tank. Auto when bucket is full. Include 6.56 feet drain hose. I hope you enjoyed this video. The link will be in my description box down below. A big thank you to Velgo for sponsoring a portion of this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.
And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who shapes me when I try.
Hey family, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, my name is Linda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss upload a new video. In this video, I am going to decorate for fall. Please keep on watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking.
I'll give you my everything.
Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda / le patron. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, comment nous. Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi, je suis Linda et m'a dit bienvenue. Sur channel ça, je poste en pile idée déco. Moi, t'as remis pour faire partie de famille là. S'il te plaît, pas oublier abonner, partager, quitter un petit message pour moi. Merci en pile pour support. N'a pas voir dans le prochain épisode encore. C'était amis Linda / the boss. T'as pour pas oublier partager avec amis et famille.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you.
Like I always said, you might like it, love it, or hate it. Please let me know in the comment down. For some of you, it might be too much or too simple. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. It should be welcoming and relaxing. Design it to your liking. Design by the boss. Home Decor 2022. Let the design flow.
Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, Mali, peace out, au revoir, adios, bye, à bientôt.